Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful bracelet. So let's get started. To make this bracelet, we took two wax cords, and these are, one is 40 inches long and the other is 45 inches long. Fold them like this. Take this longer side separately. We will use this longer side to make vertical larks and knot. Now make a little knot here. This is the center of the cord, and securely place on your working board. Now by picking the longer end, start making vertical larks and knot like this, over the cord and then under the cord. For vertical larks and knot, you need to pick this resting cord, pick the right cord and over the resting cord, and now under the resting cord. We will make a lock of bracelet here. We will pass this through this bracelet. So this is the right side. You will stop here and then place it on your working board again like this. Now pick these center two cords and cross over like this, and just grab it one time and then second. Now take another 40 inches of cord and make reverse larks and knot on this cord like this. Like this. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cords to work with. Start making square knots by using these 4 cords. Like this here and one here. So every time you made 5 square knots like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add a bead and then again make square knots. So this will continue like this. So once you reach your desired length, now you can pick this cord and start making half hitches in this way. Here you can see I made 2 rows of half hitches. Now we will make 4 more square knots like this by using these 4 cords only. Now add a bead here and make a simple knot. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful bracelet. I have done this bracelet by using wax cords and little pearl beads. And I have used the same pattern in this bracelet. I used polyester cord and large wooden beads. The pattern is totally same but look is totally different. I hope you love this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.